Pajama flip.
Pajama flip.
This video is about fitting a sat-nav or accessory holder to our two NC750Xs, a 2019 and 2020 model. Basically, this Garmin sat-nav, you can see it currently fits on a bracket that goes around the side and onto the handlebars there. What this is meant to do is bolt on to the handlebar bracket there, keeping it very central. It shouldn't foul anything. And if we just go over to the 2021 model, got the same thing currently fitting on the handlebars, and again, if you look at it, it fits the same. Where is that? Wrong hand there. And again, you can see it shouldn't foul anything as well, and it should neaten it up a little bit and also make it nice and central. So let's have a go fitting them. Quick correction in advance of the upcoming section: this bolt here is a 12mm, not a 13. So I've already done this on the 2019 bike, so I should know what I'm doing. So let's give this a go in real time. First thing to do is take off the original sat-nav holder, which is fairly easy. Just undo that. There we go. Keep that out of the way. The clamp you're going to need, obviously. The two bolts here are 13mm bolts. Looking online, they should be tightened to 22 Newton meters. To be honest, I've got a torque wrench, but it is not. It's a massive, great thing, and it's not really going to allow me to do this. So I'm just going to have to do it manually and not tighten them too much. On 22 Newton meters is pretty loose, actually. I'm going to do one bolt at a time. Fully tighten it, just get it in place, just to make sure everything stays lined up. Again, online they said that this head bit here needs to be tightened. These two bolts first, then the bottom two bolts. So changing the bottom two bolts should be fine. If you were deciding to put it on the top for some reason, you would need to take all four bolts off and retighten it again in another way, in the right order. Just tightening this up, not too tight. And then hopefully this one's going to have enough room. The wire's a bit tight on this, so I shall put this on, but I may have to take it off again in a second to adjust where the wire sits. We'll see. There we go, that's roughly it. That's that. Now what I've got to do is take off the old clamp. That's a standard Garmin. So there we go, that's that in there. I think it looks very neat. It saves a bit of room in the handlebars. They were about €25 each from a company in Germany. For me, you know, a fairly cheap sort of addition. It works quite well, and it looks a lot nicer than just having a bracket on the handlebars. Hope it helps.